track.
This isn't mumble, it's murder rap. Type of shit your grandma understand with an old ass. Spend $500,000 and go back and make some more cash. The head trigger Brazilian, you will get your
See what you know about my life and my troubled past. Took the shuttle pass, hit the mall, I got double cash. Got the duffel bag, 10 bands on my fucking ass. That's a subtle brag. High level, we be making moves, hit the huddle fast.
Break the huddle, get a sack, that's a fumble on the play. Not in my house, he look like Mutombo in the face. Leave him spinning like a funnel cloud with lightning and some thunder like the Wizard